today's video is magluluto ako guys ng nasi goreng. Yung food na to is western food. Siyempre ito guys, una nating ang lutuin itong luya. Isa ka ng luya guys na siguro mga 2 minutes lang guys. Medyo brown na to. Atsal 1 pieces to guys ha. 1 pieces lang guys. Atsal Bombay 1 pieces lang guys. Then itong sili 1 pieces yan guys. Katapos
Lalong ng lopos.
isda. Ayan. Ganun lang guys, simple lang. Halo natin yung mabuti. 2 minutes guys. Ito na to. Asin tsaka magic sarap. 2 tablespoon. Tsaka ito 1 pack. Ano yan? Black pepper. Lahat mo naman natin to guys. Kanin to, kanin. Ito, sweet sauce. Ang price nito guys is 700. Good for 20 to guys. Ito lang. Ganyan ang finished product natin guys. Nasi goreng guys.